This briefing outlines the enterprise framework for maximizing AI efficiency, developed by Virtualization Options LLC, to guide organizations through the complexities of generative prompting. To use these tools effectively, you must stop treating generative AI like a search engine. It does not simply retrieve data. It is a probabilistic model that generates responses based on statistical patterns learned from massive datasets. This requires a shift to a communicate and direct discipline. You are co-authoring every response, which means you are responsible for providing the specific context, boundaries, and tone necessary for a usable result. Precision is a financial imperative. Every token in your prompt and the AI's response consumes your computing budget. An employee who sends 5 vague prompts to get 1 useful answer has spent 5 times the necessary resources compared to an employee who crafts 1 well-structured prompt. This 10-module framework provides a structured path for transitioning from foundational prompting to advanced enterprise cost and security management. The first 3 modules establish the basics: shifting your mindset, planning the interaction before you type, and using minimization techniques to reduce token waste. The curriculum then moves into tactical efficiency, leveraging caching and templates, and high-stakes requirements like protecting corporate intellectual property. Specialized security modules focus on the mandatory anonymization of personally identifiable information and aligning AI use with your organization's compliance frameworks. The framework concludes with advanced cost controls, such as model selection and batching, alongside strategies for building a lasting culture of responsible prompting. By integrating quarterly prompt library audits and annual token usage reviews, this framework converts ad hoc, risky AI usage into a structured, measurable enterprise capability. Strategic efficiency begins before you type a single character. Taking a moment to plan prevents the expensive multi-turn correction loops that occur when the AI has to guess your intent. This pre-prompt checklist requires you to define 4 things: the exact desired deliverable, the minimum necessary context, the required format and length, and the specific target audience. Data abstraction is also mandatory. You must never enter specific deal values, unreleased product names, or client identities into an AI tool. Instead, replace them with generic descriptors to create a safe, abstracted prompt. Disciplined pre-prompt preparation improves the quality of your output and serves as the frontline defense for protecting corporate data and managing token budgets. For these practices to take hold, leadership must model the discipline. When managers visibly practice pre-prompt planning and data anonymization, they signal that responsible AI use is a genuine organizational priority. Review your organization's AI acceptable use policy to ensure you are using approved tools, and apply this strategic prompting workflow to your very next interaction. Realizing the value of generative AI depends on the disciplined intersection of strict data governance and rigorous token efficiency by every individual in the organization.